Hello friend, welcome back to this channel. Today I say how to search particular size of any image in Google. You see my screen, you open various nature image, but all image size are not same. There are different image size. You see here various image size. All pictures not same size, but you need same size of image. All you need. So how to search same size of image? In this video I tell about that thing. Before starting this video, I have request to you, if you are new user, then please subscribe our channel, and if you helpful to this video, then of course please like this video and share your friend. Now let's start the video. At first you go to your any browser. I have opened Chrome browser, and then search what you need. That search in here. In here I search nature image, and you see there are various images are here. If I click this image, you see the size is 800 into 484 height, 800 width and 484 width. If I click this image, then you see this image size is 4000 width and 6000 height. But you need size is 200 into 200. Then how to search this type of image? Mm, for that type of search image, you need to write one thing in your search bar. In here I search nature image and then type one thing, image size, then colon, then what size you need. I need 200 into 200, means 200 width and 200 height, that of that image. Now search this, and you see here all image size are same, 200 width, 200 height, 200 pixel width and 200 pixel height. If you click any image, then you see here 200 width and 200 height, pixel of height. Then you search any of, then same 200 pixel of width and 200 pixel of height. If you search 800 into 200 height, then you see what the result. Then you see here that particular type of image are you get 800 width and 200 of height. You see here 800 width and 200 height. If you search 800 width and 800 height, then what result you see? Then you see here 800 width and 800 height. Same this picture has 800 width and 800 pixel of height. In this way you can search any image by particular type of size in Google. I hope you are helpful from this video. So please like this video and share your friends. And if you are new, just then of course subscribe our channel for latest video. Thank you.